Yeah.
It's so good.
It feels good.
I'm so hot.
Yeah. We're coming up on a waterfall.
Really?
Yeah.
I see it.
We're here at Burgess Falls. We kayaked up here a couple miles. Yeah. What do you think? We'll be right back. I want to look at this for a second. Yeah.
Take a video of me paddling.
No, take a video of me paddling. This is hard.
Yeah, it's kind of different doing it backwards, huh? You're doing good. Finish line. Absolute shortcut. We thought we were gonna have to go all the way back a 3/4 mile trail up and down the hills. And this takes us right back to the parking lot. Burgess Falls State Park, 5 out of 5 for me. Rachel hated it just because it's in her family heritage. She's not a fan. I'm kidding, what do you think? Out of 5.
5?
5 out of 5. Avery, Burgess Falls, what out of 5 do you rank it?
Yeah. What?
I need a drink.
Elliot, what do you rank it out of 5?
A 4.
A 4?
Alright, we'll take it.
Nice.